women of our village, they are protesting in respect of their land. My name is Governor Zioku, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Zion Ministries. It is time for me to speak up now. Then I also expect the sympathizers of Zion Prayer Outreach to do your normal comment as usual, probably abuse or whatever, but that wouldn't stop me from saying the things I should say. Months ago, close to a year ago now, Zion Ministries came into our community and lands were being grabbed by the state government and Zion Ministries. Yes, those lands are there, but I want to state it clearly here before you listen to the news, as what press conference was held in Abuja in regards to this very land of my people. This land is not owned by the state government. State government did not acquire any piece of land from my community. Majorly from my own village. We are missing about 9,200 plots of land. My own village, my community, at about 6 communities put together, contributed to over almost 30,000 plot of land, which has been grabbed. Painfully, I must speak for my people because I am their son or their child. That is my village, those are my people. I have said this a couple of times, ideally so that the leadership of the Zion Prayer Outreach will be able to understand that they've gone the wrong way and they have kept quiet. Whatever my community discuss on their groups and on their meetings, I am aware and I must be there because it is equal right and justice. I intelligently made Evangelist Bukobi to know that acquiring such land from the state government or through the Federal House of Representative member, Honorable Matthew Nwogu and Engineer, these people are not the owners of those lands and they are not from our community. They are not even from Umbishi. But they came to grab our lands and brought in the attention of the governor. They took our farmlands. Crosses were destroyed. As I speak to you currently, soldiers are all over the place. Therefore, destroying the crops of our mothers without compensation, without even paying any little compensation to the owners of these lands. But it is being taken by force. Last week, 3 of our brothers, of our community brothers, went into that area, but far from where the Zion engineers are working. Some soldiers grabbed them, flogged them, bet many of them. One is still at the hospital till now. And as such, we will no longer keep quiet. We'll keep speaking up as you watch this video. God bless you. And furthermore, it is time for we to take action. Hence the right thing is not yet done.